13, 14, 15, we are now translating a graph that does have adding or subtracting in it. So that means I'm going to move my graph, just like I moved my graph before. It doesn't matter, I'm just going to look here, if it's in with the x plus 1 equals 0, so x is going to equal -1. That means it moves it to the left one place. This number here is the up or down. If it's negative, it's going to move it down. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that little hand tool. We're going to move it to the left one and down one, which means it's going to drop it right there. And then it's just going to redraw your graph where you dropped it off. But same horizontal and vertical shift that we had before. If it's with the x, we want to set it equal to 0 and solve it because it's going to end up moving the opposite direction. If it's on the end, moves it up or down. Positive up, negative down. So number 14, if I'm going to translate that one, if x minus 1 equals 0, we plus our 1, which means it moves it to the right one. The minus 3 means it moves down 3. So we're going to grab our point, move it to the right one, and 1, 2, 3 down, which means it's going to be right here at 1, -2. And then our graph is going to redraw something sort of like that. And number 15, same thing. I'm going to translate my graph here. If x plus 4 equals 0, x is going to move to -4. This one's positive, so it's going to move up 3. So I'm going to move it to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3. So it ends up being at -4, +4. And then, of course, my graph is going to redraw somewhere over there. So same as our regular translations. With the x, I move it over so it moves in the opposite direction on the x-axis. The number on the end goes in the same direction, positive if it's up, negative, then it goes down.